Yo guys, look at this, man. Look at this. We're turning the pips into cash, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Everything is on the brew. As you can see, GBP USD. Okay, look at this. Look at the move. Look at the move. Do you see this move? Do you see this move? We got the whole move, bro, and we're going to swing all this shit all the way to this point over here. You know what I'm saying? Look at the move, guys. Look at the move. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. You know, stop playing. So look at this. Look at this. Look at the cash, bro. Look at the cash. Look at the cash. It's crazy. Listen here, guys. You hear me? So this is the same strategy which I'm always sharing with you guys, which is the same strategy I'm using. You know, is the same strategy I also use. You know what I'm saying? So I share with you everything. You know what I'm saying? Everything. You know what I'm saying? As I said to you guys, always pay attention to the blackout. You know what I'm saying? Blackout is always powerful, bro. When you see a blackout, you know, maybe might be a blackout to the zone, it might be a blackout to the trend line, you know what I'm saying? But make sure your trend line was correct, and make sure your zone was correct. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing the video in the dark, you know what I'm saying? I don't care, you know what I'm saying? I just want to give you this information, you know what I'm saying? But let me just switch on the light. Maybe you might see me very well, you know. Yeah, I hope you can see me now, you know. I already switch on the light, you know. So guys, the whole information which I always give to you guys is always pay attention to the blackout. You know, I say, look at this. You see the trade I'm in right now. You see the trade I'm in right now. This trade right here, I took it because it was the blackout to the zone. You know, I say. So the only thing I always pay attention to is I pay attention to the zone, blackout to the zone, and blackout to the trend line. And I say, once the market respect the trend line, I take the trade. Once the market break out the trend line, I take the trade. And once the market, you know, break out to the zone, I take the trade. And once the market respect the zone, I take the trade. You know what I say? I give you all the information, guys. I give you all the information. I say, and if you can't do this, you know, if you can't do this, join my free Telegram group and send me a message on Telegram. Just let me know, like, hey, Juba, I wanna join your VIP group. You know what I say? I'll be sending the signal on VIP group. Hey, let me show you something. You know what I say? Let me show you something. Do you see what I say? Do you see what I say? So this is the zone, right? This is the zone right here. We got blackout, and then we entered here. This is a lot of pips, bro. It's a lot of pips. Seems like a small move, but there's a big move, this one. You know what I'm saying? I'm just on higher time frame, you know. So let me show you what I mean. So as you can see here, this is the GBP. This is the GBP USD, which I shared in my VIP group, and this is EuroCAD, and this is EuroCAD. Today we only got three. Today we only got a 3 signal, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, it's the same signal which I've been sharing in my Telegram group. You know what I'm saying? As you can see here, you know, as you can see from all the way from this point over here, you know what I'm saying? We were still in like 10 pips, you know what I'm saying? But now we already flip, you know what I'm saying? We already flip, you know what I'm saying? And now, bro, you must know that we about to go all the way more than this point right here. I just, you know, give this as a take profit because this one we want to be safe, you know what I'm saying? So I must make sure I give this the right time to my team to get out of the market safe, you know what I'm saying? So this is the reason why I gave them this get out right here. This is the exit, this one right here. But TP1 already hit, so now we're trying to, you know, swing the TP2, you know what I'm saying? So guys, I already dropped the video explaining how I got all these trades, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you check out that video. Is the previous video, is the first video after this one. Make sure you check that video. It's crazy, you know. And guys, I want to plug you guys to this, you know what I'm saying? If you've been crying about finding your Forex trading account, you know what I'm saying? Check the broker I use, guys. Check the broker I use, which if you deposited $100 to your account, they give you $200. If you deposit like $500, they give you 1,000 US dollars. You know, say if you deposit 1,000, they give you 2,000 US dollars, but start from $50. You deposit $50, they give you 100. You deposit 100, they give you 200. All the amount that you're going to deposit, they're gonna double your amount up to 1,000. You know what I say? So make sure, don't cry no more like, yo, I don't have no capital to start with. You know what I say? They got you. You know, they got you. Since you don't have no capital, they got you. Deposit any amount that you have, starting from $50, and they're going to double your deposit. You know what I say? So, and then after you're done, make sure you join our free Telegram group. After you join the free Telegram group, you know what I say, let me know. I'm gonna help you to grow your small account, whatever it is. You know, it's just one trade, bro, and then we flip it. You know what I say? You know how it is. Stop praying. You know. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this. I hope you enjoyed this. You know what I say? The key and the secret is, I'm let you know today. The secret and the key breakout, bro, is very important. Even though you don't pay attention at this, whatever is cool, it's your business. You know what I say? I'm giving you the information for free. I don't know you're going to take care of this or whatever. I don't know. But make sure, listen to this. You want to listen to me. Breakout to the trend line, breakout to the zone is more powerful in the forex market. Just make sure your trend line it's correct, and make sure your zone is correct. Make sure you didn't lie to yourself and put the zone when it's not supposed to be. Make sure you put the trend line where it's supposed to be. You know what I say? This is where a lot of traders, they make a mistake. You know what I say? This is where a lot of traders, they make a mistake. You put the trend line where it's not supposed to be. Make sure you watch my videos. Make sure you pay attention to my, to my market analysis collector. I show you guys every single day, everything and every single day, how to do it in a light way, how to draw the trend line in a light way, and how to put the zone at the correct place. You know what I say? So listen here, guys. I hope you enjoy my video, man. Shit, I hope you enjoy my video. So peace out, man. Stop praying. Look at this. 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 So right now, right now what I'm about to do right now, I just gonna shift. Sometimes you might make a profit, but you can't protect your profit. This is another thing, and this is another thing what you want to talk about. So right now, since I'm already in a profit, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna shift my stop loss from this point. You see the stop loss was around this point here. I'm gonna shift it all the way to this point to make sure my account is safe. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you keep all the information. You know what I say? Make sure you keep all the information, because this is what is happening. You make your profit, but you can't take care of your profit. Sometimes you get to the profit is simple, but you can't be able to manage your profit. You know what I say? You make your profit and then you leave it back to the market. You get it back to the market. That's another thing which you don't have to do. You know what I say? Once you make a profit, make sure make sure you protect your profit. You know what I say? Don't let the profit become a lose. You know what I say? It's not the right thing. You know what I say? So peace out, guys. You know what I say? I hope you understand everything. Free Telegram group, the link on the description. We can trade together. You can trade as I trade, and stop crying about the capital. I already plug you. You know what I'm saying? I already plug you. You know what I'm saying? I already give you the connection. Click the link below. The first link in my bio is the link for the broker which I use, and it's going to double your account with any amount of them, any amount that you're going to deposit. Remember that this one is going to end like this month. It's just an opportunity just give to the traders, which is gonna end soon. It's like 2 weeks only left. You know what I say? So